I guys received this 12-piece set for flexible ratchet head for ribbing purposes, and I think it's really nice because as I've said, it's flexible on the joint. Okay, as you can see, there's a main unit, and we have different ratchet heads depending on the size. I'm gonna take the classical 10 millimeters, and to place it, you just slide it right here, making sure to push these little tabs right here. Okay, you can feel it in place, and you can move it around. You don't need to change the direction of the head, you just turn it around, and now it goes to the other side. Okay, which I think it's really nice, and the option to be flexible gives it a lot of, well, range of movement, and makes it easier to reach hard areas, or even makes it comfier to be working up on your car or wherever you need. I think it's gonna be really nice. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna test it in with my car battery, so let's go. Okay, so now we are outside, and it's really nice because it makes it easier to be working in your car. As you can see, to reverse the way that you wanna use your ratchet, just change the orientation of the ratchet, which I think it's really nice, and having the option to have many different heads, and depending on what you need, I think it's really nice. It's a really complete set. And overall, I like it a lot because it has a really comfortable and ergonomic handle, and the quick release of the ratchet heads makes it really easy and quick to be working with it. Okay, so I would really recommend it. See you guys.